So as I mentioned, we're only one step away from the last component we need for the definition, or the second to the last, and then there's an analysis thing that I want you guys to do. Okay, so the last thing that we want to do is, if we wanted to take and throw a surface over these twisting shapes in Rhino, what would you use? What command would you use in Rhino to take a sequence of shapes and turn it into a form? Nope. Nope. Loft. You guys have not used loft?
Yeah, it's line, and then I have it to make the curves.
What class was that?
Design 2.
Design 2? Okay. That's right. I thought you guys had covered it. Okay, so what we're looking to create here is a loft. So I'm going to loft. All right, zoom in and take a look. It says curves. Well, the geometry happens to be curves, even though Rhino, I don't know, this was, when I first learned Rhino, that was one of the most confusing things for me. It's like, why is it calling a line a curve? Well, it goes into some unusual things about degree of curvature. Okay, so we won't get into that right now. We're just going to take the geometry and feed it into curves, and lo and behold, there is a lofted object. Now, there's a couple of problems that exist here. Okay, so one of the problems that exists is that I'm seeing all this other geometry. So I'd like you guys to figure out what other geometry to turn off. And then, if you look at the very top of this thing, it's got a problem. It's got this weird kink. Okay, and I want you guys to try and tell me why. All right, so I'm going to actually pause this video so that it's not recording, and you guys can take a break and also think about that at the same time. All right.